Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can do the Instagram highlight stalker trap. For that, head over to your Instagram and then get logged into your account. For that, you're going to have to add a story. So tap on your story. In my case, I have just taken a picture right here. It could be any blank picture. Now let's go ahead and add a sticker. Once done, tap done. And you're going to have to hide this. So I'm going to be using poll this time, or maybe a emoji slider. So I'm just gonna type in test and make sure that the sticker in the background is hidden from this emoji slider. Once done, tap on your story. Now give it a couple seconds till this gets posted into your story. Once it has been posted, we're gonna have to immediately archive it. So simply tap on three dot icon and then from here, tap on archive. And once it has been archived, head over to your home screen. Then tap on three bar icon. Here, tap on archive. And make sure that you're under stories archive. Here, tap onto the story that you just archived. And simply, we're going to have to add it to the highlight. So tap on highlight. And you can add another one or simply tap onto this spot. Then this story will be added to your highlights. And go back to your home screen. Refresh your page a couple times. Then after a couple minutes, you may go ahead and view this story right here. And under activity, you will see the trap that you have simply added. And you will see all the people that we're stalking. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.